What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Gadget Beard CES 2018 coverage. Now, what we're looking at here is the G3 from new. It's currently available for pre-order. You can pick it up at us.newmobile.com for as low as $199.99. So this beautiful device is packed with some serious specs at that price point. Let me break them down to you real quick. We do have a 5.7 HD plus display. That's an 18:9 aspect ratio. We do have a Helio P25. It's an octa-core processor clocked at 2.39 gigahertz. We have 64 gigs of onboard storage packed with 4 gigs of RAM. This is launching with Android 7.1.1, and we also have the option of dual SIM or expandable storage. On the rear, we have a dual camera system, a 16 megapixel and a 5 megapixel, which the 5 megapixel is used for depth sensing, so you can get that bokeh effect. Also on the rear, we do have a fingerprint sensor. This does come with quick charge enabled, and it does have a NFC. Okay guys, what we're looking at here is the stock launcher for new for the G3. Basically the widgets and the settings all look very vanilla Android, which is always a good thing. As you can tell, the pull down tabs look very familiar to the Pixel and the Moto line. Now we do have some added menus: full screen mode, gesture mode, and one-handed mode. Those are all added to the stock Android experience here, but other than that, everything looks very familiar. There you have it, folks. This is the G3 for New Mobile, available for pre-order now. Head over to us.newmobile.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you enjoy watching more content, more coverage from CES 2018, make sure you hit that bell symbol so you know when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, guys, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.